po, kayo mga pogi, o 5 po kayo, and yes, round 2. Okay, round 2. Stay lang kayo dyan, ha? Round 2, sige, mag-strategize kayo dyan. Nakita kayo, asa po yung dalawa nyo? Tara po, come on! Asa isa? Ay, po, ano po sabi niya?
Sisters.
Ay, wow, the 5 sisters! Anong group name nyo? On my left, we have the 5 sisters! Wow! Sasayaw po tayo! Magsusumpa! Paano po kayo magkakakilala?
Kapatid.
Oh! Magkakapatid! From Bulacan! Guys, let's give a big round of applause for the 5 sisters! Grabe! Wow na nga pa. Okay, and then what's your group name?
IFM News Baguio Team.
Ang haba. IFM News Baguio Team. Walang shortcut yun. IFM News na lang. Okay. Okay, so guys, come on, line up na. Line up. Okay, so our the title of our game is Flip the... Okay, so the title of the game is Flip the... Bottle! Yes, i-flip nyo po. But the first player po, sister, the first player po, you have to drink half or as much as you want just to balance the bottle. No? So, bahala kayong tumantya. Pag naubos nyo yan, wala na kayong ma-flip pa.